In this video, we will look at a few examples that will let us practice working with medians. In example A, it says, draw the median LO for triangle LMN below. So median LO will be a line segment that starts at O and intersects the midpoint of NM, which will be O. So the midpoint of NM is approximately here, and we're going to call that O. So this line segment would be the median LO. For example B, it says, find the other two medians of the triangle. So let's go back to our picture from before and find the other two medians. So to find the other two medians, what you want to do is find the midpoint of LM and connect that point to point N, and that will be another median. And the third median would be the midpoint of LN and connect that to point M. Notice all three medians intersect in one point, and this point is called the centroid. All right, let's go on to example C. Example C says, I, K, and M are midpoints of the sides of triangle HJL. Part A, if JM equals 18, find JN and NM. So we're talking about JM, this whole segment is 18. And we're trying to figure out the two parts of that segment, JN and NM. So N is the centroid of this triangle because it is created by the intersection of the three medians, since I, K, and M are stated to be all midpoints. Because it is the centroid, it means it intersects this whole line segment, JM, 2/3 of the way along it. So that means if the whole thing is 18, and 18 divided by 3 is 6, 6 will be 1/3 of JM, and 12 will be 2/3. So the two segments, NM, the shorter one, is 6, and JN, the longer one, is 12. So our two answers are JN equals 12 and NM equals 6. And keep in mind this trick for figuring out how long 2/3 is. Just divide the number by 3 and that will give you 1/3, and double that and you have 2/3. Part B says if HN, which is this part right here, equals 14, find NK and HK. So HN is the 2/3 part of the whole segment HK. So if HN is 14, that means 14 is the 2/3. So 1/3 has to be half of that, 7. So NK must be 7, HN is 14, and therefore the whole thing must be 21. So our two answers are HK equals 21 and NK equals 7.